The Eliminator is more advanced and significantly less expensive than other GPS systems. The simplicity of the Eliminator allows it to be easily installed. The Eliminator can connect to the existing computer-aided dispatch system and share data as needed, and can even be gradually upgraded from an optical system to the GPS system at the same cost of buying new optical equipment. The system can be managed wirelessly and remotely, using a laptop or even the cloud. This prevents unnecessary hardware and time spent trying to configure the system one unit at a time. The display options include a 7-inch touchscreen, connection to the computer-aided dispatch system using a pre-existing laptop or an LED bank.
Collision control product came in at what I felt was a great price and came in at easily a third to half the price.
Some of the systems are upwards of $12,000 per unit. So I was figuring one light. I could actually get 3 intersections done, and then I got 7 of the 10 vehicles, emergency vehicles that I have equipped with the unit.
Altogether, the Eliminator offers advanced, modern technology and market-leading functionality, all at a price that any department can afford.